Do you know that your genetics can be changed without changing your DNA sequence? It's not me who is claiming this. Listen to Dr. Bruce Lipton, a stem cell biologist and epigenetics expert.
Whatever picture you hold in your mind, the brain releases complementary chemistry that matches that picture, and it releases it into the body, and the chemistry of the blood is what controls the genes and the behavior. Children, when adopted into a family where there's cancer running in that family, the adopted child will get the same family cancer. But the point, the adopted child has totally different genetics. What was the point? It was being adopted into a family where the programming of that child is what caused the cancer. It's consciousness who releases the chemistry to the environment that controls the genes. And you can change your consciousness, and you can change your environment. And all of a sudden I say, oh my God, we were programmed to be victims. It turns out we are masters of our genetic activity. And this is the new science called epigenetics.
Now, if you don't know the basics of genetics, then imagine your body is like a big Lego castle built from special instructions called genes. These instructions tell your body how to grow, look, and work. Now, epigenetics is like stickers you can put on those instructions. These stickers don't change the Lego pieces, the genes, but they tell your body things like, don't build this part right now, or build this piece super fast. Here's the cool part. Sometimes if your mom or dad had special stickers on their Lego instructions, maybe because they ate really healthy food or had a lot of stress, you can get some of those same stickers when you're born. That's epigenetic inheritance. Your parents pass on not just their Lego pieces, but some of their stickers too. If your parents ate healthy food, it's like putting green Go stickers on the good instruction pages. These stickers help your body build strong muscles, a healthy brain, and a good immune system. So when you're born, you might get some of those green Go stickers too, which helps your body grow better and stay healthy. If your parents had a lot of stress, that can add red Stop or Slow Down stickers to some important instruction pages. These stickers might make it harder for the body to stay calm or fight off sickness. And sometimes those red stickers can be passed on to you too, making your body a little more sensitive to stress or illness. But the good news is, you can also change your own stickers. If you eat well, play outside, sleep enough, and feel happy, your body can add new green stickers and take off some red ones. Like human beings, mice and bees also show epigenetic inheritance. This experiment is just going to blow your mind. In the year 2013, Brian Diaz and Carrie Ressler performed an experiment on transgenerational inheritance of fear memories. Scientists once trained male mice to fear a smell, acetophenone, which smells like almonds. Each time the mice smelled it, they got a mild electric shock. Eventually, they froze in fear whenever they smelled it. But here's the twist. After the training, researchers found changes in the mice's sperm. The gene that detects that smell became more active, not by changing the DNA, but through epigenetic marks, which affect how genes are turned on or off. Then, those trained mice had babies. The offspring had never been shocked, never smelled acetophenone before. But when they did, they reacted in fear, just like their fathers. Even their brains and noses were more sensitive to that specific smell. This showed that a learned fear could be passed down biologically, not through parenting, but through chemical changes in DNA. Before the previous experiment, another experiment was conducted in the 1920s by Bultmann et al., the agouti mouse and diet experiment. Scientists did a famous experiment with mice that have a gene called agouti, which controls their coat color. If the agouti gene is on, the mouse has a yellow fur color, but if it's off, the mouse has a brown coat. Here's the twist. Mothers that ate a special diet full of nutrients, like folate, could turn the agouti gene off in their offspring. So even if the baby mouse's DNA had the gene for yellow fur, it would actually have brown fur because of epigenetic changes. This is a clear example of how a mother's diet could change her baby's genetic expression. And this could be passed on to future generations. In bee families, whether a baby bee becomes a queen or just a worker bee depends on what they eat as a larva. If they eat royal jelly, a super special food, it's like putting a shiny gold queen sticker on their gene. If they eat regular bee food, they don't get that sticker, and they grow into worker bees. So they have same genotype, that is the 2N condition, but can grow as totally different kinds of bees, just because of food and stickers. See how cool that is? Lamarck have proposed the theory of inheritance of acquired correctors, but every acquired corrector is not inheritable. So that's it for this video. Hope you have enjoyed the experiments. This was my first video on this channel. If you are interested in learning about least discussed topics and want to explore biology out of the box, do hit the subscribe button and like the video as well. Bye! Have a productive day.